have a word from Dan and Susie.
The honoree. Here's Susie Shepard.
Hi everybody, I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming tonight and supporting the Rio Theater. I just went on Kickstarter real quick and I'll let you know where we're at. Right now we have 130 backers for a total of $12,738. Keep on sharing. Just send it to everybody you know. And even if it's a $1 donation, it's in the right direction. We have a couple of more benefits coming up. On April 7th, we have a local Monorio resident that is a filmmaker. He made a film called Camp Unity, and it's a documentary about some kids over in Iraq and forming a group. So that ought to be really good. The filmmaker's name is Ryan White, in case any of you know him. He lives in Monorio. He's a wonderful guy. Then on April 21st, we have another benefit. We are trying to invite Francis Ford Coppola and play his movie, Peggy Sue Gets Married. I'm having a little bit of an issue trying to find the film, so as of today I'm still trying to track that down. And Sherry Pimsler, our coordinator, is working on getting in touch with Francis Ford Coppola. So those are the two events that I know that are coming up. They will both be on the lawn next to the theater. If you didn't make it to the last event with Priscilla Queen of the Desert, it was spectacular out there. The lawn is beautiful, the weather is great, and we really hope that you can make it to the next two events that we have coming. Thanks so much, and keep on sharing with your friends. Have a nice night.